Hello everyone, this is Brad. We're going through Oomlout's Experimenter's Guide for Arduino. This is project 10, and this project will be looking at using a TMP36 precision temperature sensor and using it to sense temperature, ambient temperature, and reading that with the Arduino as the sensor outputs changing voltage. So as we see here, power and ground wired to the Arduino. Analog pin 0 is reading voltage out of our TMP36, and then we have ground and power hooked to that. Now we'll look at the code. Okay, and here's the code. This TMP36 temperature sensor has a 500 millivolt offset, so at 0 degrees Celsius, the sensor is outputting 500 millivolts. That way it can measure negative or below freezing temperatures. And now we're going to convert the output of the sensor into something that the Arduino can read, and then output that number into something that makes, or into degrees Celsius. First here we're setting temperature pin as the variable that we're saving the value of the analog pin in as it reads the value coming out of the sensor. Void setup here, serial begin. This is starting the serial connection with the computer at 9600 baud. And that's the speed of data transfer. And then void loop here. We're setting the temperature and getting that voltage out of the temperature pin, and then the temperature is changing here, and this here we're changing the 10 millivolt per degree change output from the sensor to degrees Celsius. And then here we're printing the temperature that we've now found out into the serial monitor. And when we open that here, here we have the serial monitor. It's outputting values. For some reason this sensor, I believe, is bad. When I touch it, it goes significantly negative, but sometimes it goes positive, and now I'm not touching it at all and it's resting all over the place. But basically you'll get the idea of what the code looks like. And this get voltage, the portion here, this get voltage here is what we're calling this portion of code here we're calling in the loop, and this portion here we're getting the number from the analog pin that's returned from the sensor to the Arduino board. Then we're taking that value and converting it to a scale across 0 to 5 volts rather than 0 to 1023 or 1 to 1024. Since that's what the analog pins read, that way when it goes up into this piece of code here, we can then use the preset datasheet's guide of 10 millivolts per degree and convert that to Celsius.